Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, Tim. Good morning. So this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Okay. So I'm having around 9 years of experience in IT industry by using the ETL tool Talent and Data Stage. Okay, I'm the trainer. Okay. So 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 any area team, anyone working in ETL tool, anyone working in ETL tool. So there is a what is ETL? Why we need to learn talent? Because of n number of tools and programming languages are there in the market, but why we need to specially learn talent? If you learn something, we should get some benefit, right? What are the benefits we'll get it if you learn talent? So not talent only, if you learn any something, any technology, we should get some benefit, right? If you use other technology, what are the benefits you will get? When you learn talent, what are the benefits you will get it? Any area team, can somebody having any words why we need to learn talent? You may did some background work, right, to learn talent, either really to learn talent or not. In idea team, why we need to learn
It's an
talent?
open source software.
Okay, okay, very good point. This is the open source. Other points team, any idea, whatever you know.
This is ETL tool.
Okay, so there is a number of ETL tools, right, in the market, like Data Stage, Informatica, SAP BODS, SSIS. Talent also ETL tool, one of the ETL tool.
Yeah, its license cost is less depending on
Yeah,
the
very,
software.
very good, very good. License cost is very less. Very good point.
Yeah, it will support for the cloud computing.
Very good point. Very, very good point. It will support cloud integration very easily. You can integrate it. Very good. That is the software side. Yes. Very good. I got very good points from yours. Any other points, team? Anyone wants to add?
It was actually user-friendly tool.
User-friendly ETL tool. Okay, very good. User-friendly ETL tool. Very good. Any other points, team? Sivaram, Vihari, anyone want to add any something words?
It takes the less time to extract the data and more time to means visualization analysis data.
Okay.
This is the main feature, I think.
Yeah, we can easily extract it by using the components. Very good points. Other ETLs
Comparatively,
also we can do it. Yes, yes, go ahead.
when comparatively other ETL tools, they are using extraction is the more time and
Okay.
analysis part is the less time.
Okay.
With the talent, we can more time spend with analysis.
Okay.
Is it right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. We'll do analysis. There is quality checks. We can do it. Okay. Others team. So anyway, let me explain it. Let me start it. So suppose if you learn something, any one technology, we should get some benefit, right? That is the main our intention, right, team? Okay. To say frankly, to get more salary purpose, we are learning new technologies, right, team? Okay. So let me explain it. Suppose there is a n number of programming languages. Programming means we need to write the coding, but talent, it is not required coding. It is a ETL tool, simply graphical user interface. Simply take the component, simply give the mappings, develop the process. Just to learn talent, it, it is required only thinking knowledge. If you think more, you will get more salary. Okay. So see, assume that other ETL, there is a number of ETL tools, talent, IBM data stage. Okay, this Informatica. Okay, so SAP BODS, MSBI, in that SSIS, Ab initio. There is a number of ETL tools in the market, right? ODI, Oracle Data Integration. So there is a number of ETL tools. So these are all the old ETL tools, I can say. Talent is the new tool. They released it in 2006, but the boom market is very good for the past 5 years. Very, very good in the market. Past 3 years, very, very good. Why? Because of this is the only one of the ETL tool as the open source. None other than the other ETL tools are not open source. Only Talent is only one of the ETL tool as the open source. When you go for ETL side, we can develop the code. In most some small companies, they are using Open Studio only. They're not using Enterprise Edition. If you go for Enterprise Edition also, the cost is very less. The cost is very less compared with other ETL tools. So assume that, I'm purchasing the Talent software for Enterprise Edition. Assume that 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. I'm purchasing. Assume that. For other ETL tools, it is may required minimum 30 lakhs. 1/3. See, I assume that I want to develop one project, one ETL project. So I need some resource, right, to develop the project. Some team members is required, right? Assume that Talent is taking 5 members. Assume that same other ETL tools also they're taking 5 members. Okay. See, we already invested the amount for purchasing the products, right? So, but Talent I given less investment, but other ETL tool I invested more investment. To get the profit, I may give little bit less salary for the other ETL tools because of we already invested too much amount. But when I come to the Talent, I invested not that much, but I have invested amount. But I can give little bit more salary compare with other ETL tools. Can I give it, right? Because of the same thing, same resources. So I'm getting more salary. If you learn Talent, you will get compare with other ETL tools, you will get little bit more salary. I'm sure that. Because of the cloud integration is not good in the other ETL tools. It is there, but I can easily achieve it by using the Talent cloud integration like AWS, Redshift. Okay, so cloud integration easily. The normal flow also, we can easily use the components, we can build it. They have n number of components. But in the other ETL tools, they have little bit less components. But Talent is very, very good. If you come to the market, that is the main thing, right? How is the market? You learn subject, you are ready to, right? You are ready to develop the project. It should be required projects, right? Then only we'll get jobs, right? When you coming to the market wise, there is a huge demand in the market, huge demand in the market, very good demanding. All MNCs, I can say TCS, Wipro, HCL, Accenture, IBM, Deloitte. There is a product based, so many product based also they have openings. Okay, so less resources are available, in the market. So this is the one of the major advantage if you learn Talent. Major advantage if you learn Talent means this is the you can easily get the job. So even though they are asking fundamentals only. Okay, so this is the you will get more salary, you will get to easily job. I'm sure that within 1 month you will get job. I'm sure that much demand in the market. Okay, to learn, so the talent course we are providing here 35 to 40 working days. So the daily class timings for this batch 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. the daily. We are conducting from Monday to Friday. Saturday sometimes we'll conduct, sometimes special classes like Oracle explanation, data warehousing explanation, some special classes sometimes Saturday, not for every week, sometimes we'll conduct it. Okay, so this is the course content. I'm going to cover it. Let me show you. This is my course content. So I will provide the talent softwares. I will explain you one day class how to install the talent software, what are the required software, all software installation. I will explain it. Okay, so along with there is a data warehousing concept. I will explain the data warehousing concept, Oracle, and talent components. I will explain it, all the talent components. So including Redshift, how to connect the Redshift, how to connect AWS, SCD types. So there is a scheduling tool. There is a very good future in the talent. Other ETL tool, this feature is not there. They have scheduler, inbuilt scheduler, but suppose once my one process, A process is finished, I want to run B process, means so that process implementation scheduling is not there in the other ETL tool. They have to use third-party ETL tool, third-party schedulers like Control M, Cron Tab, Atomic. But Talent, they have given inbuilt scheduler for TAC. By using the TAC, we can schedule the jobs easily. No need to purchase third-party scheduler. Okay, so this is the course content. I'm going to cover it. Okay, so any questions, team, so far? Any questions you may have in your mind? Some questions, right? You can feel free to ask me now.
Are you going to cover any admin part or any development part?
Yes, I'm going to cover it. Admin, how to schedule the jobs. TAC also I'm going to cover. How to schedule the jobs. So we'll explain it theoretically, and we'll give some video.
Thank you.
Any other questions, team? Feel free to ask me. This is an open forum.
For installing the software, what is the system specification requirements we can?
So it is required
Specify.
only 64-bit operating system. 64-bit operating system. Is it fine? Windows 7, 8, or 10? That is not matter. But Windows 64-bit operating system is required. So it is required. 4 GB is fine. If you're having 2 GB, also fine RAM, but it will be a little bit slow. Okay. So minimum 4 GB is better, as per my suggestion. 2 GB also fine. We can do it.
Only Windows edition or any Linux edition like
Mac also we can install it. Mac also
Okay.
you can install in Mac also.
That software we can download from Talent Open Studio, or you are providing the?
I will give you. Don't. So all softwares I will provide you. You no need to do. Just you have to attend the class. So after that I will take you in the talent world. How the world is going in talent.
Okay, thank you.
SQL.
Venkat,
Everything. See, we have prepared each class recording. I will give you. See, today we are attending the class. The same recording video at the end of the EOD you will get it. Along with we have prepared some documents. So actually running notes is not required. See, so there is some documents. It's having clear steps. So what are the we're going to cover it. So all the component, what description, some example with the clear steps. You no need to do anything. If you are working on other ETL tool, by using this document, they can easily, simply learn it. I'm not required. I'm sure that if you are working on other ETL tool like DataStage, Informatica, SSIS, Ab Initio, you can easily learn it. That much level we have prepared it, this document. Along with it, each class recording will be there. So we have prepared real-time scenarios. So this is the normal document, each component level. So there is a scenarios. So there is around some 11, some documents. How to real-time scenarios. So how to resolve it, how to develop the jobs. It's in the project, in the real-time project, we have developed some scenarios, right? Those scenarios we have prepared here. Okay, so those documents also will share it along with interview questions and answers. Main interview questions. This is the main part. We'll cover it. So there is a n number of interview questions. If you attend this interview questions answers, 95%, 99 it will come, but some 5% we can't predict, right? Some people may ask different way, but answers are there in our course only. Okay, so all the questions will explain it. Around 60 questions are there. These 60 questions, this is the Oracle along with SQL. This Oracle will explain it. Real-time interview questions and answers will explain it. Live interview means suppose my previous batch they attended the interview, they will post the questions, right? Those questions I will explain it. Questions and answers. It is easy to crack for interviews. Any other questions, team?
Venkat, one doubt.
Yes.
Is it need to necessary to learn the Unix or shell commands?
No, it's not required. Basic Unix commands is required. Nobody is asking, but nowadays some people is asking. So those and all also will explain it. How there is a Unix commands, how to explain it. Like daily uses, copy, paste, search, grep, find, basic commands. We'll explain it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Venkat,
Full package I will provide. Yes, please go ahead.
in real-time projects, they are asking the Redshift, Azure,
See,
big data, like that they are asking.
we'll explain it. Project explanations. So we'll take some documents. See, there is some mapping documents we have. Okay, so we'll explain the mapping documents also. How to develop the process.
And one more doubt, Venkat.
Yes.
Are you providing any projects for the resume?
Yeah. So resume preparation also, everything we'll conduct. We'll prepare the resume preparation also. Will help. Mock interviews will conduct it. Mock interviews.
Okay. Thank you.
So after learning this course, I'm sure that you will get job 100%. So that much level we are going to teach it with understanding level. Any questions, team? Other questions? So let me take some sample examples. We'll explain it. Okay. So let me log in Talent. So we'll explain it how to install the Talent softwares and all. Okay. Let me between any questions you can ask me. I'm logging in Talent.
Hi Venkat.
Hi.
Are you going to cover ESB component also?
No, we are not covering ESB. Mainly talent data integration, some big data components we are covering. ESB we are not covering.
Okay.
That is a separate. Mainly the basic is first thing is talent data integration. This is the main thing. If you learn talent data integration, so you can easily learn big data also, big data components. Okay. So then ESB, some quality components, we can learn it easily.
Okay.
Mainly most of the project will be there talent data integration or big data with cloud, some cloud. AWS Redshift.
Venkat, are you going to cover data warehousing methodology?
Yes, data warehousing also we're covering everything. That's what I shown you, right? So in
Star
the course
schema,
that
Snowflake schema.
yes. There is a we'll cover the data warehousing, Oracle, okay, talent, interview question, live project explanation, TAC also. So we have recorded the videos, TAC, everything will provide full
Okay.
package. So let me log in it. So between any questions, team, ask me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
Hello.
Hello, yes, Venkata Atmukuri.
Hello.
Atmukuri, yes, Venkat.
Sir, I don't have any software background.
Okay,
In
we'll discuss that at
talent,
offline. That is offline. We'll discuss it. Okay, you can call me after class. We'll discuss.
I don't have.
Okay. So I'm recording the sessions, guys. So if any personals, we will discuss in offline. So that is the offline matters. We can discuss it. I hope you understand.
Fine. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Venkat.
Because I will upload this record in YouTube.
Hi, Venkat. Srihari here.
Yes, Srihari.
Yeah, Venkat, I have one doubt. Actually, coming from Java background, I want to know what work we can do with the help of ETL. Suppose what is my exact question, right? Suppose SQL, once you will use the SQL, you can store the DB in database, SQL or Oracle, you will use that one, and we'll use the Java and business logic, all implementation, some methods, these type of things. You can use the Java. The same ETL. What type of work you can do? I want to know that.
See, why ETL? So that is the data warehouse concept, right? We'll explain it. But anyway, as per now, so why it is required data warehousing come into the picture means, suppose assume that I am running one business. Okay, whether I am, so there is a n number of branches are there. So all the branch details I want to integrate it. Then finally I want to generate the report. Based on the report, so I want to analyze my business whether I am doing the right path or wrong path. So based on that, my business, I want to improve my business growth means. So I want to achieve the business goals. Means we will use the data warehousing for analysis purpose, business analysis purpose. So based on the data only we will analyze, right? So it's required some data, right? So
Yes.
so all the source data will integrate it. Then we'll see, assume that in the Reliance they have a number of branches, right? So
Yes.
Mukesh Ambani, like he can't go on each branch and check the data. What he will do, simply they will generate the dashboard. By using the dashboard, he will analyze it. Yes, this branch is very good. This branch is very good. This branch, I need to improve it, my business. What are the products we're selling in the more in this branch? What are the people's requirement? So those and all we can analyze it for analysis purpose, business analysis purpose. So to take them better decisions. So this is the data warehousing concept is came. In the data warehousing, there is a ETL tools and reporting tools. ETL tools and reporting tools. There is a number of reporting and number of ETL. So the talent is the now booming the market. So there is a other ETL tool, IBM Data Stage, Informatica. These are the old tool. So reporting tool like Power BI, Tableau. Any one ETL tool is fine to learn it. If you are going for reporting side means any one reporting is fine. That's it. It's not required to learn both.
Okay. Mainly you will use for integration purpose only.
Integration.
You'll use
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
See the talent software is developed by Java code. See the backend. See So simply I'm reading one file, one table, I'm loading into the file. So the backend will be generated by Java code. You don't need to write it. Okay, so
Okay.
let me we'll explain some simple example.
Mm.
How much is easy. So let me, why it is loading too much. See, this is the backend Java code. So we don't need to write it. Okay, so if you have a little bit knowledge, it is helpful for to debug the issues. Anyway, we'll explain it. What are the Java things and all, we will explain it. So let me take one simple example today. So assume that let me go for some source files. So let me go for the 2nd June. So let me go for the source. So there is I have one source file. My customer is giving this file. So let me open srcemp. Okay, so I want to read this file. So let me go for demo 5. So I want to read this file. There is a src demo 5.txt. I want to read this file. So I want to load into another file. So I want to read this file. I want to load into another file, but I don't want to load all the data. My customer is asking only load the wherever the DEPT number value 10, those data only load into the my another file. It means filter the data, write the some condition, load the data into the target. ETL means E for extract the data, read the data. T means some transformation, apply some business rule, some condition. L means load into target, loading. Somewhere I have to load, right? After applying my business, so I want load somewhere, right? I have to save the data, right? So that is called as a loading part. So as per now my scenario, I want to read this text file. This is the text file. I have employee number, employee name, job, salary, DEPT number. My file delimiter is one field to another field, one column to another column. Something is separating. The separator we can call as a delimiter. What is the delimiter, team, in this file? What is the delimiter? What is the delimiter, team? Comma, right?
Comma.
Comma. One field to another field separates in comma. So I want to read this file. I want to load into another text file only, but I don't want to load all the records. I want to load into only my target file, only DEPT number 10 records. So that is my scenario. So what are the records will come? This is record true, DEPT number true, load it. Is it DEPT number 10 true? This is a false condition, don't load it. This is a false condition, load it, don't load it. So these are the true condition, right? Both records. DEPT number 10, both are, my condition is true, load the data into the target. So these are all not condition. My condition is not meeting, so don't load it. So this is my condition is true, load it. So my source is how many records are 10. This is the header record. The remaining is the 11 records are there in my file. In the 11, so I'm loading only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. So I want to load only 5 records based on my condition. So how to load it in the talent, we'll see it. Please observe carefully, team. In the talent, I want to read text file, means there is a one component by using the T file input delimited. I can read the text files. I want to read the text files, and the CSV files means I can use one component T file input delimited. I want to load into another text file, means the talent there is a one component T file output delimited. Output delimited component is there. By using the T file output delimited, I can load the data. Between some business rules, some transformation is there. What is my transformation, team? I want to write the condition where DEPT number equal to 10. So the condition I want to write means in the talent, I want to filter the data means there is a talent T filter row component is there. By using the T filter row, I can filter the data. Only these three components we have to use it, we have to develop the process. Okay, so how to do in the talent, how to develop the job, we'll see it. So this is the text file. First we need to import the metadata. How to import the metadata text file, we'll see it. So let me go for Talent Studio where we'll develop the talent jobs. So left side is called as a repository. Right side is the palette. All the components will be there. In the between, this is called as a designer workspace where we will develop the talent jobs. So first thing, we need to import the metadata. How to import the metadata means table definition. How to get means, so there is a metadata section, there is a file delimiter. Text files I want to import means in the file delimiter, there is a create a file delimiter, right? Create a file delimiter, provide the file name src demo 5.5, right? Click on next. Browse the file, which file I want to read it, select that path. So in the June folder source, there is a text file demo 5, right? Can somebody find it? Demo 5. So there is a demo 5. Let me select it. Just so after selecting the file, it will get the data display in the file viewer. So click on next. What is the my source? Field separator. What is the field separator? My source, as we discussed, field separator is comma. So let me select the comma. So my first record is not a data. It is called as a header record. Header, column names, metadata, field names. First record is not a data. I want to make a header record. How many records? One record. So how to select means, see, by default header is a disabled. I want to make a enable means in the there is a one option. Set heading row as column names. Select this option. Automatically is enabled one record. If my source having one record means I can enter one. If my source having two records header, I can make it two. I can change it. After selecting the field separator, after selecting the header, there is a one option, refresh the preview. We need to refresh it. It will display the data in the actual data, original data in the tabular format. Employee number values, e-name values, job values, salary values, DEPT number values. So after refresh, click on next. Okay, so we need to select the in the real time they will give one physical mapping document. Okay, based on the physical mapping document, we have to low level design document, we have to select the data types and length. Suppose my employee number I want to give 5, I can give 5. My employee name I can give it 25. So my customer said that use the employee name length 25. Job length use 20. My customer said as per the customer mapping document, so low level design document, we have to select the length and the data types and their nullabilities. After selecting, click on finish. My metadata is ready now. SRC demo 5. So I have imported the metadata. I can use it as a source, I can use target. Now I have to develop the jobs. How to develop it, we'll see now. Please observe, guys. So far, any
Hello.
questions, team? How to import the metadata? Yes, Ranjan.
Yeah. In production, we would have millions of records. So we do in SQL loader, like Oracle SQL loader. So we divide into different parts. So is there any mechanism present in Talent so that we can streamline the data loading of millions or billions records?
Yeah, so we can use it. So in the component level also, we can split the records. Some one flow some record, another flow some records, we can divide it, we can load it. So some options are there, we'll explain it in the further classes. Okay, so just whatever the data is there, that data I am fetching into Talend environment. Just I have given the connection file to Talend now, that's it. That is called as a metadata, I can say. Now I have to develop the job. How to develop it, we'll see. Any other questions, team, so far?
Venkat, I have a question. What kind of file formats that Talend will support?
So it will support all the files, text files, CSV, XML. XML is very, very good advanced. Other ETL tools don't have this feature. JSON files, we can read it. XML, we can read it. We'll explain it. XML also, JSON also. It's there in my curriculum. So there is XML, JSON, Excel, input or not, both. Everything will explain it.
Okay. Thanks, Venkat. Thanks for the.
Yeah. So as for now, we are seeing the text file. So now I have to develop the job. How to develop it? We'll see there is a job designs. Right click the job designs, create a job, provide the job name. So demo 5. Click on finish. So I want to read the text file, means we need to use components, right? So in the file section, the right side, this is the palette, all the components are there. In the file input component means input. So I want to read the text file means input delimited. So I want to load into the another file, right? In the output components, in the file section only. So there is a output. So output. So T file output delimited. I have to take it. So between I want to apply some condition, right? What is my condition? As we discussed, filtering the data purpose, we need to use some components, right? So there is a processing. So there is a T filter row component. By using the T filter row, I can filter the data. Okay, so I have already imported the metadata. Suppose if you use like this, you have to select the path and all, you have to manually enter the columns. If you have 1000 columns, it is difficult, right? So that's why I have imported the metadata. So whichever the metadata I have imported, I can use that file as a source. So simply select the metadata, drag into the designer workspace. So I want to read this file, right? So we need to use T file input delimited. I have taken the required components. Now I need to process the data from source to target, right? So we need to give the mapping links. How to give the mapping links means, so right click this job, row and main, row and main. So right click this component, row and main to process the data. So right click this, row and filter. Now I have to define the properties. How to define the properties? Double click this component, T file input delimiter. I already imported metadata. I don't want to change anything. So now double click the T filter row. What is the use of T filter row means? I want to filter the data based on the condition, means I can use the T filter row. T filter row left side is called as a left link, input link. Right side is called as a output link. T filter row, it will support single input and two outputs. One is the main output, one is the rejected output. Now I want to write the condition. What is my condition, team? Can somebody tell me?
Department number 10.
Okay, so how to write that condition here means, so there is a one plus symbol. Select the plus symbol, add the plus symbol. What is the input column I need to filter it? DEPT number.
Department.
What is the operator? Equal to, right? So what is the value? 10. We'll never hard code the any values in the real time. We need to create the context parameter. That is advanced topic. We'll explain in the further classes. So as for now, I want to filter the data DEPT number 10. I have written my condition. My condition is ready. Now I want to define my output file properties. Double click the T file output delimited, where I have to save my output. where I have to save my output. So let me create one folder, target folder. So there is a target folder. So I have to load it here. So double click browse the file. Let me go for documents, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, in the 2nd June batch. So in the target, so what is my target file? So this and all customer will give it. So as per now, tzt filter data dot txt. I have defined my target path and file name. What is my field separator? I want it. When I generate the output file, my file separator I need comma. So my source I have column names, right? Employee number, employee name, job. Are able to see the column names, right? The same column names I want to see in the output file also. Output file also I want to see it. So there is one option, include header option. Include header option. Okay, so now I have developed my jobs, all the properties I have defined it. Now I need to execute the process. Then only I can see the data, right? So how to execute the process means, let me save the job, file and save, Control S. There is a run tab. Click the run button. The job is running now. So my job is finished. Exit code equal to 0 means my job is finished. Okay. So my source, I am able to see 11 records. So my file also, how many records are there? Let me verify it. 11 records. Header, it will not count it. Okay, so my target went how many records, team? My target, how many records went? How many records went? Here it's showing, right? 5 records, 5 rows. This is the way to read the data into the text file, load into another text file by filtering the data. Is it clear, team? Any questions so far? Now, so I am loading in the 11 record, 5 records are loading into the valid records. My condition is true. I'm giving to the customer. So the 6 records, 11 minus 5, 6 records are rejected, right? It is coming here. My condition is not matching. So that's why my condition is false. That's why it is rejecting. So I want to load into another text file, rejected data. I want to load into another text file. How to load it? So I want to load into the text file. Which component we have to use, team, in the talent as we discussed earlier? Can somebody tell me? What is the component name? I want to load into the text file. Which component I have to use it?
T file output delimited.
Very good. We have so see, so there is no need to go here. See, file, for every time file, output, go for the T file output delimiter. Drag it. This is the one way. So I can
Yeah,
explain one
Venkat.
easiest method. Yes.
Yeah, Venkat, one doubt. But Venkat,
Yes.
every component start with T. May I know the reason, please?
That is the talent. T for talent.
Okay.
Okay. So there is a easy understanding. See, this is the input component. See, input component, output component. But other ETL tools not like this. All the components like same name, different name. You can easily understand the components itself for reading. T file input delimiter, output delimiter. So I will explain it. See here, no need to come here. So I can explain one shortcut method. I know the component name. Which component I have to use here? T file output delimiter. Keep the cursor here. Press the T. Type the T file output. It is displaying all the components here itself. Which component you want it? You can select it here itself. See, I'm deleting here. So I want to select the T file output delimiter. Keep the cursor here. Type the T file output. Type it. Then you can select it. So now I need to give rejected link, row and reject. As we discussed, T filter row, it will support single output, single reject link. It means 2 outputs. In this, the main output is a rejected output. Where I have to save the rejected data. Let me double click this one, browse the file name. So let me go for Nandini Software, 2nd June. So there is a rejected data. Let me go for rejected data. Filtered rejected data.txt. So my field separator, I want comma, let me give the comma. I want include header, let me include header. Now let me run the job. No need to define any condition. By default, it is coming rejected link, right? So that's why. So now let me run the job. I am sure that job will fail. I'm sure. Why it will fail? Because of, see, let me copy the error. Why it will fail? We need to explain, right? See, my file is already there. My file is already there. What I have to do? Whether I need to append it, whether I need to delete that file, reload the new file, or else what are the data is there, same data, new data, add it, append it. What I have to do? So as per now, let me make as a overwrite mode. Overwrite means delete the existing data, load it new data. So how to do it? It means in the advanced setting, there is a one option, throw an error if the file is already exist. My file is already exist in my target path, the job will fail. I don't want to fail the job, so we need to uncheck this option. Throw an error if the file is already exist. We need to uncheck it. So let me uncheck here also. Next time it will fail, right? So I don't want to fail it. Now itself I am unchecking it. Now let me save the job. Now let me run the job. How to run the job? There is a run tab. Click the run button. See, if my source having 11 records, 5 records are valid, it is loading, 6 records are rejected. So let me open the files. Target, filter data. So I should see the only DPT number 10, right? Are you able to see my data in the DPT number 10 team in this file? Are you able to see? Other than the DPT number 10, is there any record, other record team in this file? No.
No.
So let me go for rejected data. Why it is rejected? Rejected data. So let me open this file. See why it is failed. My condition is failed. My condition is failed. That's why it is rejected. So this is the way to apply filter in Talend. Simple example. Is it difficult to understand this process? Is there any difficult? So in the real time also, they will give some data. We need to analyze the data. What are the components are we need to use it? That thing we need to, if you know that thing, you can easily develop this Talend project. It is not required programming. So this is the Talend, this is the graphical interface backend automatically is generated. I didn't return. See, let me show here. See, to write the Java code, this much code is required. But simply by using the graphical interface only I can achieve this my requirement. No need to use Java code. The software is developed by Java. So that's why most of the people, if you know the knowledge, you can easily fix it. Issues if you face it. Even though if you're not there, we'll fix it. We'll explain it in further classes. Any questions, team? So far? Any questions?
So far, we are good, Venkat.
Yeah. So I will explain all the scenarios like that only. Mostly scenario based. I will explain more scenarios. I am sure that everybody, even if you come 10th class students also, they will understand. That much level I will teach it.
Venkat, can we use the same method for insert to remote databases?
Yeah, we'll use it. Databases also we'll explain in the how to connect the database, how to load it. So we will explain MySQL. See, MySQL already Oracle will load it. How to load into AWS, Redshift, and all will explain it. This is a simple demo I am giving it here. Okay, any question, team? So the course fees is same for everyone because of you come into Nandini Software Solutions. We are treating as everybody same. Okay, because of I don't want to give some people high, some people low. Because of once we come into my institute, everybody is same level. So this is my number. Who are all interested? 9538160185. My name is Venkat. So for everyone, 10,000. For everyone same because of it's equal. After getting, you will get it good packages. So you can pay 2 installment. We'll allow 2 installments. If it's required, 3 also will allow it. If it's required. Okay, you can as your ways. If you whether 2 or 3, based on your choice, you can pay it. Any questions, team? I'm stopping here. So feel free to ask me some questions. Let me stop recording. Then you have some doubts, right? We'll explain now itself. So let me stop here. So the batch is going to start from tomorrow itself. Tomorrow, same timing, 7:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. The daily classes. So who are all interested, make a registration. The registration fees 5,000. Who are all opted for 3 EMIs, so they can pay 3,000 today EOD. If you are interested, you can join from tomorrow onwards, regular classes. Okay, so let me stop recording. So let me
Venkat,